Wednesday, May 29, 2024. St. Paul 6th. Focus. The Son of Man came not to be served, but to serve. When a family goes through challenging times, other people sometimes remark they are paying the price for what their ancestors did. Do we harbor fear about the sinfulness of previous generations? Perhaps we are worried that we may have to bear the brunt of their misdeeds. But Saint Peter reminds us that Jesus paid a hefty ransom for the fertile ways of our forefathers, not with the perishable things, silver or gold, but with the precious blood of Jesus Christ. Purified by the blood of Christ, we are called to be service to others. The sin of me first creeps into my institutions, relationships, marriage, and the workplace. But Jesus says, whoever will be the first among you must be slave of all. He is our perfect example of humanity, even washing the feet of his disciples. Saint Teresa of Calcutta was a role model of selfless love and service. She gave up a life of comfort to devote herself to the poor. Each one of us ought to make a conscious effort to put others first, be at home, in church, at school, or workplace. We must be constantly aware that positions and privileges are not meant to pamper our pride, but to be of service and assistance to others. Fruit. Lord, teach me to love and serve my neighbors earnestly from a pure heart.